So today we'll be reviewing Hope from Zury Sis, and it's from their Flawless Pre-Tweeze Hairline collection. Now, this wig is super pretty. I have her in the color Strawberry Blonde, and it just gives you hints of pink, but it's mostly a light white color blonde. So she is very soft as far as the cap construction. She's going to give you two combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Definitely big head friendly. The lace is a medium brown transparent color, and it's Swiss lace, so it's really soft. So here I am trying the wig on straight out of the package, and the hairline is super pretty. I love how they did this one. Like, it's not overly plucked. It's definitely very realistic looking. So I'm definitely here for that. Straight out the package, she definitely sheds, but the luster looks really natural for this to be a blonde color. So she does have a realistic flow to her. Like, she has a lot of body and movement to her. I really do like the way Zury Sis constructed this wig. So stay tuned for my final thoughts. Definitely subscribe. Click that bell to be notified every time I upload. And I'll talk to you guys later in my next one.
I'm definitely tired, but I could not let another day go by without giving y'all this review. Like, are y'all ready for the tea on this wig, sis? Because she is a slay. Like, I absolutely love the whole look to this wig. This is another video sponsored by ebonyline.com. They sent this wig out for me to review for you guys, so I am here to slay. Okay, this is a new unit from Zury Sis. It's from their Royal Swiss Lace Premium Class Flawless Pre-Tweeze Hairline collection. That was a lot, but this is a pre-tweeze hairline, and I have her in the style SW Lace H Hope in the color Strawberry Blonde. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, the color is so pretty. So this is the model on the stock card. The care instructions come on the back, as well as a lace tape. If you don't want to adhere your unit with got to be glue, definitely use the lace tape. Like, she is a slay. She is so pretty. As far as the texture goes, she is a light yaki, very soft, very realistic feeling. Density is a really nice. Like, I actually really do like the density. When it comes to blonde units, like, they tend to skimp on the hair, and you can see tracks at the top, and I don't like that. That's kind of like why I don't like to do blonde wigs anymore, because like these companies, they skimp on the hair and then you can see tracks, and that's just not cute. Okay, so this one you cannot see any tracks whatsoever. The density is very full, but it's not too full, it's not too thick, but it's the perfect density for me. Let me pull all the hair to the front, even though like I like it styled like going towards the back, but I just want to, you know, show you the density to this unit. Like I said, she's very full. Like, girl, like, get into it. She is nicely limp. I want to say she is about 18 inches long. You do not have any layers with this wig, so if you wanted some face framing layers, you'll have to go in and customize that and do that yourself. I did show you the cap construction, so the hairline is impeccable. I did not have to use any baby hairs. She does come with baby hairs, but I did not have to use any. I just kind of, like, you know, laid them down, kind of, sort of. But yeah, I didn't make any baby hairs with this unit because I didn't feel like she needed any. Like, I think like this is super cute, and it's a slay just like this. I love the look with like once you add your powder to blonde hair, and it kind of like gives you that soft, kind of like dark root effect. So that's what I did. I just added my powder, and it kind of like blended, you know, my powder blended in with the blonde hair. I love that look. It is a middle part. You cannot part this wig wherever you choose to. But what I did do is I kind of like did like a flip over method, because the hairline, it is pre-tweezed, so you can kind of like do a flip over method, and you don't see any tracks because the hairline is not too dense at all. Like, I think they did a really nice job with the hairline. So you have a lot of versatility. Well, not a lot. You have some versatility with this wig. You can kind of like, you know, style it and play with it, and, you know, get it to your liking. I want to do that all the way back look. Like, I want to slick it back and freeze it with the Got to Be Glue freezing spray. and that's the way I want to rock it. Of course, she is available in a lot of different color choices. So if this is not your cup of tea, if we're not sipping from the same fountain today, definitely check out Ebony Line. She is fairly inexpensive for the type of style that she is. Check the link out down below. As far as shedding and tangling, girl, let's get into the shedding. Because straight out of the package, before I even touched this lace, before I even cut this lace off, she was shedding like strands, shedding. And I'm like, what's up? What's popping? Like, what's going on? Like, I ain't even cut the lace off and you shedding like that? That's how you want to do me, Miss Hope? Okay. So, definitely be aware of that. The shedding has calmed down. I'm not saying it stopped, but it has calmed down. I really don't know. Maybe it's because of the color, because it's really light, and maybe it went through a different process. So I really don't know why it was shedding so much straight out of the package, but it has slowed down. This wig definitely tangles as well, but it's nothing to be alarmed about. It is a synthetic. Definitely check out ebonyline.com. Follow them on Instagram. Definitely follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Definitely subscribe. Click that bell to be notified every time I upload, like, and share this video. Check out some of my other videos if you have not already, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next one. Bye, you guys.